Beatles song is a blast to play. I love these songs that are super fast and fun. Even though they just got some chords and a couple of little notes, they make for some great fun guitar playing. So we're gonna learn this thing super fast. I'm Steve, and hope you're doing amazing. So no capo needed for this one. It's in G major, but the first chords are C to D. C to D. You could do a regular C to D, that's fine. But if you use the bar chord, and you sort of pick the low and go, you know, like a upstroke, starting on that G string right there. Like that. And if you're here, you can do a blues. So it's just a blues, 5th fret of the A string, 7th fret of the D string, and 9th fret of the D, and back to the 7th and 9th, like that. You know, classic sort of blues bar chord right there. Or if you want to make it easier on yourself, just go to a D major. So I'm just playing a D major. You can do it this way if you want to. I was using these fingers on the D major and adding the 4th fret of the G string. I'm showing that in case anybody here, you know, isn't quite familiar with those blues notes. So one more time. Transitioned right to the D major down here really fast. You can get there first if you want to. And then it goes, oh yeah, G, D. I'll show you that cool little note in a second. That's D major, E minor, B major, G, D, E minor. Isn't that cool? Those little notes right there, like strumming pattern right there. B major, C, I wanna hold D or G, E minor. That's E minor. I play it with one finger right there to get those two notes. C major, I wanna hold D, B. C major, D, your hand, like that, G. So let me give you that little note. It goes G, D. It's pretty cool. Open D string, 4th fret of the A string, back to D, 1st fret of the D string, and then to the 2nd fret. And that leads you into the E minor right there. E minor, I wanna hold your hand. C major, D, R, and at the end it goes C, 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 G, G, like that. If you want to, you can go, yes, dun, dun, you're just hitting those notes of the C major. Let go from. On G major. So very cool song, a lot of fun. Just learn those parts and just follow the verses and choruses and you'll be on your way. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Give me some more suggestions for the Beatles and the 60s and any other decade around. All right, catch you later.